Hey guys, Cameron Taylor here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cameron Taylor. And today I'm doing an unboxing video. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Nickelodeon Victorious, the complete second season on DVD. It says the lights, camera, and over 5 hours of Victorious action. It says the 2-disc set, and here's a 12. So yeah, here's the front right there. You see the characters from Victorious includes Tori, Andre, Trina, Robbie, Beck, Kat, and Jade. The side, it says the Nickelodeon Victorious, the complete second season. And here's a 12, and you see the Paramount DVD of Icon Company. Or Paramount of Icon Company DVD, perhaps. And here's the back. And it says the 2-disc from Victorious. It says disc 1, disc 2, and special features. Includes Tori, Trina, Kat, Jade, Andre, Beck, and Robbie. And it says that the Paramount of Icon Company, and then a teaching or teach-knee color. Teach-knee color. So yeah. Here's disc 1. It says that Tori, Andre, Kat, and Robbie. And here's disc 2. You see that Tori again includes Trina, Jade, and Beck. And all the episodes of Victorious. So yeah. So thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell button if you see me on my YouTube channel. Other than this, me, Cameron Taylor here. I will see you next time. Bye.